If you want to play games on your iPad, iPhone, games like Call of Duty or this video game Asphalt, then keep watching the video and I'm going to show you how to connect your PS5 controller to your smart device. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can read it by the title, today I'm going to be showing you how to connect your PS5 controller to your iPad, so that you guys, can get into some gaming and stuff. And I have tried this on a lot of different devices, and I think it works better with the iPhone in general or the iPad in general, because it supports like more things than the usual Android phone for some reason. So let's get right into the video. If it's your first time here, please like this video, subscribe to this video please, and help me get to the 1K subscribers. And I appreciate each and every one of you that are watching this video and have been subscribed to me right now. So let's get right into the video. So to connect the PS5 controller, almost like any controllers, if you got a PS5, you can use the PS5. And if you got an iPad, it's the same, or you got an iPhone, it's the same way to connect it, because it's through Bluetooth. So the first thing you're gonna do is we'll make sure you have your your Bluetooth turned off for now, and then we'll turn it back on when we do this. So on here is very easy. On your controller, you have to hit the PS logo and the share button at the same time until this light here, the PS light here, start to flash. So we're gonna do that. So at the same time, you hold it for a bit until you see the light flashing. As you can see, that is the light flashing. So now that the light's flashing, we're going to go onto our iPhone, iPad, wherever you have. And as you can see right there, you can see it says DualSense Wireless Controller. So you click on that. And then the same as your PS, when this is connected, the lights will be steady, change color. And then you will see on your iPad or iPhone that the DualSense controller has been connected. Now, there's a way of adding. There's a lot of different games that this supports, but you need to find it on Google. So you can go to Google and then search the compatible games that are compatible with the PS5 controller. So you can see, if you go here, this will only tell you the name of your controller and stuff on the information of your PS, but you can go down to general. On your phone or iPad, you can go down to general, and then if you scroll down a bit, you can see here it says game controller. So you won't have this option if your controller is not connected yet. So game controller, and then you can see that this DualSense is connected. You can even see how much percentage of battery you even have on there, and it's pretty awesome. So you can see how much percentage you got, and when you click on here, you can add a game, right? A compatible game. So if you press on here, I have this game, which is the Asphalt game. So all your compatible game will come here, and you just press on that, and this will be the game. So even if you go here, you can see that the cross button, everything, the haptic, everything is on here, and it's compatible with this game. So I'll give you like a demonstration right now, and then we're gonna get to the game, and then I'll show you guys how the game is while playing it on here. So this is the Asphalt 9. I know a lot of you will know this game, and this is a racing game, and it's so while we are here, I don't know if you can see, but you can see like while I'm moving to controller, if you press play, go to different, like circle goes back, X will click on the circle, you go back on the, like you can see why up to offer here, and then to your level. If you press the menu option, this will come out, this will go back here, and then we'll play a game. So you guys can see that this is pretty legit. So you can even like go and change the settings on here, because on your controller game setting, if you press R1, game setting, controls, and then we'll select control manual, which is this, and then it tells you everything you need to know about this. And then we'll go back to your, so it's pretty easy because you can see your controller or your touchscreen. We'll go back to the normal setting here, and then we'll play next, so you guys can see the gaming on here. If you're liking this video so far, please like it and comment down below what are your favorite games to play on your phone or your iPad. So I'm gonna show you that it's very easy because you can steer, so left, right, left, and then the neutral. So it will show you, see, it's even telling you double press to do double press for to trigger. So you see the 360, or you hold to drift. Awesome, isn't it? This is so cool. Oh, I lost. I was second, but as you can see, it's amazing. It works flawlessly and it's pretty good. So that'll be all for this video today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. This is the easiest way to connect your PS5 controller to your iPad or iPhone, or even if you got an Android, also to connect it to it. Thank you guys for watching, and like, subscribe, and comment down below what you think about this video. And you guys, until next time, you beautiful people, bye.